We tested several concrete stain removers, and honestly, most of them couldn't handle real stains. Some barely worked, some required heavy scrubbing, and others didn't remove deep stains at all. So we narrowed it down to the ones that actually perform. Stick around for our number one pick. It delivered powerful cleaning and removed deep set stains with minimal effort. It stood out as the most effective option overall. So, let's get started. Starting at number 5 is the Overnight Stain Remover, a simple yet highly effective solution specifically designed for oil and grease stains. What makes this concrete stain remover unique is its absorption-based formula. Instead of just cleaning the surface, it works by pulling oil and grease out from deep within the concrete pores. This is especially important because oil stains tend to penetrate below the surface, making them extremely difficult to remove with regular cleaners. The application process is straightforward. You pour the product over the stain, leave it overnight, and let it do the work. As it dries, it lifts the oil out of the concrete, making cleanup much easier the next day. This makes it ideal for driveways, garage floors, and areas with vehicle-related stains. Another advantage is that it requires minimal scrubbing, which saves time and effort compared to traditional cleaning methods. However, this concrete stain remover is mainly focused on oil-based stains, so it may not be as effective on rust, mineral deposits, or general dirt. Still, if you're dealing with stubborn oil stains and want a hands-off solution that works overnight, this is a very practical option and earns the... Coming in at number 4 is the Iron Out Liquid Rust Stain Remover, a specialized solution designed to tackle one of the toughest problems, rust stains on concrete. Rust stains are very different from oil or grease. They require a chemical reaction to break down the iron deposits, and that's exactly what this concrete stain remover is designed to do. One of its biggest strengths is its fast-acting formula, which begins dissolving rust stains shortly after application. This makes it highly effective for driveways, sidewalks, patios, and outdoor surfaces exposed to metal objects or sprinkler systems. It's especially useful for removing stains caused by tools, furniture, or irrigation systems, which often leave deep orange discoloration. Another advantage is its easy application process, which typically involves applying the solution and rinsing after a short dwell time. However, because it uses a stronger chemical formula, it's important to follow safety instructions and test it on a small area first. Compared to general purpose cleaners, this concrete stain remover offers much better performance on rust-specific stains. If rust is your main issue, this is one of the most effective options available and earns the number 4 position. Taking the number 3 spot is the Singerman Laboratories Rust Remover for Concrete, a more powerful solution designed for deep and stubborn rust stains. This concrete stain remover is formulated to penetrate deeper into the concrete surface, making it highly effective for older or heavily embedded rust stains that basic cleaners can't remove. One of its key advantages is its industrial strength formula, which targets tough stains that have been sitting for a long time. This makes it ideal for restoring heavily stained driveways or outdoor surfaces. It also works well on a variety of materials, including concrete, stone, and masonry, making it a versatile option for different areas around your home. Another benefit is its ability to restore the natural look of concrete, removing deep discoloration rather than just lightening the surface. Compared to lighter rust removers, this product offers stronger cleaning power and deeper penetration, making it more effective for serious cleaning jobs. However, because of its strength, it may require careful handling and proper application. If you're dealing with old, stubborn rust stains that won't come out with standard cleaners, this concrete stain remover is a powerful solution and earns the number 3 spot. At number 2 is the EXIMO Waterless Concrete Cleaner, a unique and innovative solution that works differently from traditional chemical cleaners. This concrete stain remover uses a bioremediation process, meaning it relies on natural microbes to break down oil and grease stains inside the concrete. Instead of washing the stain away, it actually eliminates it at the source. One of the biggest advantages of EXIMO is its ability to clean deep within the concrete pores, making it extremely effective for long-term stain removal. It's also an eco-friendly solution, making it safe for use around plants, pets, and outdoor environments. This is a major benefit compared to harsh chemical cleaners. Another standout feature is that it works without water, meaning you don't need pressure washing or rinsing. This makes the process simpler and less messy. However, because it relies on a biological process, it works more slowly than traditional chemical cleaners. Still, if you want a deep cleaning, environmentally friendly concrete stain remover that eliminates oil stains over time, the EXIMO cleaner is one of the most effective options and earns the number 2 spot. Taking the number 1 spot is the Krud Kutter Original Cleaner Degreaser, the most versatile and widely effective concrete stain remover on this list. What makes this product stand out is its ability to handle multiple types of stains, including oil, grease, dirt, and general grime. This makes it a great all-in-one solution for homeowners who want one product that can do it all. It features a powerful degreasing formula which quickly breaks down tough stains and makes cleanup easier. This is especially useful for driveways, garage floors, and outdoor surfaces. Another major advantage is its ease of use. Simply apply the cleaner, scrub if needed, and rinse. There's no complicated process or long waiting time required. It also works on a wide range of surfaces, making it more versatile than specialized cleaners. Compared to other products, it may not be the strongest option for extreme rust stains, but its overall performance and flexibility make it the best choice for most users. If you want the best all-round concrete stain remover for everyday use and multiple stain types, the Krud Kutter easily takes the number 1 spot.